It's a great day in the volunteer state of Tennessee today because we've got another volunteer offset smoker rolling out shop today. This is going to my man Mike in North Carolina. He was gracious enough to let us do a couple cooks on it before he came and picked it up. Guys, listen here. We are about to start another run of volunteer offset smokers here in about a month. You better get your call. Hey, we still got a couple spots ready. Better get your call in quick. Hey, by the time this video is over, they're probably all gonna be sold out. So get your call in, get on the bill list for one of our volunteers, caster package, off-road package, or trailer package. We'll get you set up. Now my man Mike's here. He's got it on our small trailer package. This is the standard volunteer trailer package here. Now he did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf. All right, we'll open up the smoker here. Guys, a couple things that sets our volunteer smoker apart is first off the size of it. All right, now this is 52 inches wide, 27.5 inches deep. So you got a lot of cook room inside. You can see we put this one through the paces here. It cooks great, very fun to cook on. This is a really badass traditional Texas style smoker here. Fold down stack, that is standard on the volunteer. Step around the firebox. Now they do get a 3/8 thick firebox, smoke chamber's quarter. Firebox is 3/8. 24-inch diameter pipe, 26 inches long. So you got a long firebox. Back here, normally this will have stainless steel right here over the little area here, and then you've got steel storage back here, and we finished off with a spare tire. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.